In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit Microsoft Bookings so you can quickly update your existing meeting types without having to recreate anything from scratch. Whether you're adjusting the length of a session, changing the description, or tweaking availability, the basic process is the same and it's very straightforward once you've seen it done. First, make sure you're signed in to Microsoft Bookings using your work or school account and that you're on the correct booking calendar. If your organization uses multiple calendars, double check that you're in the right one before you start editing so you don't accidentally change the wrong set of services. Once you're in the correct calendar, you'll see a list or grid of your existing meeting types. These are often called services in bookings, and they might have names like 30-min sync, intro call, or consultation. Take a moment to locate the specific meeting type you want to change. If you have a lot of them, you can use the search bar or filters, if available, to narrow things down by name. When you've found the meeting type you want to update, look for its card on the screen. Each card represents one meeting type and usually shows the name, duration, and sometimes a brief description or icon. Instead of hunting for a separate edit button, you simply click directly on that card. This is what opens the editor for that particular meeting type. As soon as you click the card, the full editor view for that service will open. Here is where you can edit it as you want. Take your time in this section because this is where all the key settings live. You can usually change the meeting name if it no longer matches what you use it for. For example, you might rename 30-min sync to something more descriptive like 30-minute project check-in, so invitees know exactly what to expect. You can also adjust the duration if you realize you need more or less time. Maybe your 30-minute meeting needs to become 45 minutes, or you've streamlined things enough to reduce it to 20 minutes. Update the length so it better reflects how you actually run the meeting. Next, review the description and any notes that appear to clients or internal attendees. This is a good place to clarify the purpose of the meeting, what people should prepare, or whether it will be held online or in person. Small tweaks here can reduce confusion and last-minute questions. If the editor shows options for availability, buffer times, or lead time, check those as well. For example, you might want to ensure there's a 10-minute break before or after the meeting, or prevent same-day bookings so you have time to prepare. These settings can make a big difference in how manageable your schedule feels. Once you've finished making your changes, scroll to the bottom or the top of the editor and look for the Save button. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without saving, none of your edits will be applied and the meeting type will stay exactly as it was before. Click Save, then wait a moment for bookings to confirm the changes. After saving, it's a good idea to return to the main list of meeting types and quickly reopen the one you just edited. This lets you double check that your updates were applied correctly and appear the way you expect for anyone who books time with you. And that's all there is to it. By finding the right meeting type, opening its card, editing the details you need, and saving your changes, you can keep your Microsoft Bookings setup accurate and up to date with very little effort.